Today, we're diving into the world of computer memory and storage. Let's get started. First up, we have the fundamental duo, RAM and ROM. RAM, or random access memory, is a type of memory that stores data temporarily while the computer is running. It's fast and flexible, juggling all the programs we're running at any given moment. However, RAM is volatile, meaning it loses its stored data when the power is turned off. ROM, or read-only memory, is a type of memory that retains data even when the power is off. It is non-volatile and used to store essential information, like firmware and the BIOS, that your computer needs to boot up. Now let's explore the different types of RAM, including SRAM, DRAM, and everything in between. SRAM, or static random access memory, is a fast and expensive type of RAM used in high-speed applications like CPU caches, where quick access time is crucial. DRAM, or dynamic random access memory, is slower and cheaper than SRAM. It needs to be constantly refreshed to retain data, making it more high maintenance. There are many types of DRAM, including FPM DRAM, EDO DRAM, SDRAM, and DDR DRAM, with each generation bringing faster speeds and increased efficiency. Many are obsolete, and the common types of DRAM in the market today are DDR variants like DDR4 and DDR5. GDDR is also worth mentioning. It is a specialized type of DRAM optimized for faster data transfer rate, which the GPU needs for its massive parallel processing. GDDR6 is the most widely used today. Now let's dive into some essential roles of ROM, firmware, and BIOS. Firmware is a type of software stored in ROM that controls how hardware devices communicate with each other. BIOS, or Basic Input-Output System, is the first software your computer runs when you power it up. It's responsible for starting your computer, initializing hardware components, and handing over control to the operating system. Now let's explore hard disk drives and solid-state drives. Hard disk drive, or HDDs, have been around for a long time. They store data on spinning magnetic disks and are known for their large storage capacity at a low price. Solid-state drives, or SSDs, use NAND-based flash memory, providing fast data access, reduced power consumption, and increased durability compared to hard disk drives, but come at a higher price. NVMe, or non-volatile memory express, is a high-performance interface for SSDs that connects directly to the CPU via PCIe lanes. This allows for lower latency and significantly faster data transfer rates compared to SATA-based SSDs. Need to take your data on the go? Let's talk about flash drives and SD cards. Flash drives, also known as USB drives or thumb drives, are small plug-and-play devices you can use with any USB port. They're easy to use and perfect for transferring files between computers. SD cards are commonly found in cameras and smartphones. They're smaller than a postage stamp, but can store thousands of files. SD card comes in three main physical sizes: SD, microSD, and mini SD. And there you have it, our quick journey through the world of computer memory and storage. If you like our videos, you may like our system design newsletter as well. It covers topics and trends in large-scale system design, trusted by 300,000 readers. Subscribe at blog.bytego.com.